What's up guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share how I made these beautiful dramatic puff sleeves. These are super easy to make and you must have seen these on Instagram and Pinterest. Both are flooded with these kind of tops, especially with Zara pink top, this one, and I was hooked to it. So I thought to make just the sleeves for myself. These are detachable, you can style it with different outfits, and if you want to know different ways to style it, you can follow me on Instagram account. I have shown different ways to style these sleeves. And if you want to know how I made this, let's start the video. So first of all, if you want to make puff sleeves, be it detachable or non-detachable, you must and you should choose stiff fabric, just for sleeves at least, so that you can get that structure. In flowy fabric you will not get this kind of structure because of course they are flowy.
My fabric is 62 inches wide, so I am cutting it to normal fabric width of 44 inches. So you have to fold the fabric twice like we cut normal sleeves, and I'm taking 30 inches as the length of the sleeves and 22 inches width. That means if your fabric width is 44 inches, you don't have to cut the sides. Take the whole width. So take the fabric and fold it in half. Make sure you are cutting two sleeves together. Now I have turned the folded fabric so that it becomes easier for me to mark and cut. I'm cutting the armhole on the sleeve. So I'm randomly making the slant of the armhole. This is just to make sure it doesn't come off my shoulders easily. To make the sleeves more puffy, I'm making box pleats in the center of the armhole. I am making it without pinning the pleats, but if you want, you can pin it first and then stitch it. As it will be difficult to put the elastic inside, if I fold the pleats to make way for elastic, I am attaching a strip so that I can create a socket for it. Now join the sides whichever way you like. As I don't have interlock machine to prevent the threads to come out, I'm folding it twice. After joining the side, fold the strip that we attached on the armhole, leaving a small section open to put the elastic inside. Likewise, fold the wrist side as we have to put elastic on the wrist as well. Put the elastic through the opening with the help of a safety pin. Once done, join the loose ends of the elastic through stitching and close the opening. In the same way, do the other side and put the elastic through armhole. Repeat all the steps with the second sleeve. That's it. Now you have a statement piece of clothing.
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you try, do tag me on Instagram. I will definitely love it. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.